Hey everybody, I'm starting this series called 2-Minute Tuesdays where I'm going to be sharing those quick tips and tricks for creativity which I'm actually not able to share on my other videos, the longer videos. So let's begin with the first episode where we figure out how to take pro-grade pictures even from your smartphone. Yeah? So to begin with, the first thing is we need to know about JPEG and RAW formats. There are two different formats. You must have seen JPEG formats, which are actually a little compressed pictures, and they do not have so much of details as much as RAW format does. So first thing first is you need to actually go to your phone, go to your settings, and change your picture format from JPEG to RAW. So the second thing is you'll definitely need to bring it down to an editing board, maybe Photoshop or Lightroom or something like that. So here we are on Photoshop. What we are doing here is we open this on Camera Raw. If you go to the setting, open Camera Raw, you'll see there's a new plugin which has come up. There's a new separate window which opens up. And in that, you now can see there are loads of options on your right side where you have your contrast to color grading to exposure and so many other things. You can even add more clarity to your images, so many other options. You even have presets to give other types of filters for your pictures to create the mood. And there you go. You have all these things that you can actually do. The same thing you can actually do it even on your smartphone, where if you download Lightroom for mobile, so definitely you'll need to have a subscription for it as well. But these are the two platforms that I would really suggest. One is Photoshop and the other is Lightroom for mobile. I'm sure there are many other smartphone apps for photo editing, but these are my recommendation and you should definitely try it on because this has loads of many features which actually other apps are limited and they do not have. So the other thing that I want to share with you is I'm also available on Fiverr for video editing services. Go to my link and if you need any video editing help, and here I'm not just talking about only basic video editing, I'm talking about understanding the entire mood, the color grading, the sound and the music, the entire experience of what you see on my YouTube videos. If you like my kind of YouTube videos, if you like the taste and the filter that I use, you can always go and get your videos edited from me. So here's the link, and with that, I'll see you next Tuesday. Bye.